Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield, my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Gonna have a look over today because there's work going on in the corner that I missed on yesterday's video. So we'll see if there's any progress on that. Then we'll have a good look around the outside. But let's get some height and get over there. 114 metres should do me. We are 2 days away from the start of the Premier League season, no? A little look around the city while I'm here. Okay. It's amazing how different everything looks from the air. Let's back up. I did notice there was a crane there. Someone said there's grey stanchions gone in as well, but I don't know. Right, that wasn't there yesterday, was it? Or did I just miss it? Or had someone seen it on someone else's video after I'd been, maybe? I need to look back at yesterday's video now. So I've missed that. That's just poor on my part. Yeah, so there was like a breeze block wall in one there, now there's wood in there. And now the steel work's gone in. Good little look around it. Doesn't seem to be any movement though, does there, on that crane? It's attached to there. It'll look better on a bigger screen. Just can't see much on this screen. Okay, so we know there's work, so that's something to keep us going now. See what's going on the roof here. So whatever this is getting laid on the back of the span is going to be getting carried on along there, I take it. And yeah, there's cladding gone in there as well. Okay, so there's a bit going on. And that cladding's going to need to continue along there, innit? I'll have a look at that when I get directly over the roof in a minute. See how much you've got to do there. Just have a spin around this way. Yeah, so it looks like they're moving on with the cladding this week then, aren't they? That's going to have to get done at some point. Yeah, okay. So I'll get off the roof and have a look. We had the pitch getting watered. Let's have a look at the pitch while I'm here because it looks it looks good. Right, there we go on that. The goals are well set up as well, aren't they? I wonder if they're planning a thing soon then, a test event. Balls on the line, that must... Are they testing for the goal line technology, maybe? Let's have a closer look. Or do you just setting the goals up? I'll go down here. Yeah, they're the same. They've got balls on the line as well. In front of the cop. If anyone knows what that's about, let me know. I'm going to be doing another giveaway as well this week. I've got 3 things to give away. My first giveaway is going to go to Lorcan. So if Lorcan's parents are watching this and they can contact me, I will try and find a message you sent me on Instagram, but if you can contact me on Instagram, I've got a little something for Lorcan. If no one knows, I've done a giveaway a couple of months ago, was it? And Lorcan had turned up for the giveaway and he'd missed out by about 20 seconds. And it's played on my mind ever since, so I've got a little something for Lorcan. So if his parents would like to contact me so I can get something to him. Also, because the giveaway last time I asked people to meet me in Stanley Park, somewhere in Happy that, there's someone on the roof there, somewhere in Happy that if you didn't live in Liverpool then you wasn't, you couldn't have a go of the giveaway. So I've got 2 giveaways in that respect as well. Okay, so I'm going to do a giveaway in Stanley Park. So I'm not going to give any times or dates or anything. It's just I'm here every day. If you see me in Stanley Park, come over to me, tell me you watch my channel, and you've got a little gift off me. Okay. And the next one will be a giveaway in the comments section. So if you comment a words, what can we have the words? We'll have the word as expansion. Okay, so you comment expansion, I'll put you into the draw and you can also win a prize and I'll post it anywhere in the world. Okay? And hopefully that'll keep everyone happy. So 3 giveaways. I'm going to give one to Lorcan because he missed out by about 30 seconds. There was only 2 people who turned up. There was a little girl and Lorcan, and the little girl got a prize, Lorcan didn't, so I think it's only fair that I give Lorcan something. The next one will be, if you see me in Stanley Park, come over, tell me you watch my channel and you've got a prize. And the next one is in the comments section, comment expansion, and I will pick a winner out of all those that comment expansion. It's as simple as that. Oh. You alright? Dog was licking my ankle, didn't even see it. Yeah, and I'll pick a winner in the comments section, do a little draw. Might do that live on Sunday actually. Make it fair so everyone sees what's going on. Okay? So, little giveaway as we're coming to the end of this now. So, want to give back. For those that don't know, we sponsored our first football team as well. Us as a channel, that's why I say we. We all contributed to it. So thank everyone for watching my videos. Everyone who had to go of the seat raffle and who donate through Super Thanks, it all goes towards me grassroots football campaign, and we sponsored our first football team. So thank you all. Let's have a little look around the outside now. Now I've got a wasp stalking me. It's a nice day today, well, it's a little tiny breeze, so it's not too warm. It's just right, the weather. Groundwork going on. I don't know what's going on there, guys, so I couldn't even hazard a guess. It's very close to the ground. I can't see it being plumbing work. It's probably for the road or something. Let's get a... Yeah, that's say road, that. I don't know. Or walkway. Don't know. Don't know, guys. Don't know. work carries on along here as well, it's mad, isn't it? Yeah, so it's like Liverpool have got all the way up until this gateway here maybe to, you know, regenerate. Just trying to have a little good look around so I'm not missing anything. Because people tell me that I've missed stuff and then I come back and I look at it for you. So yeah, if I do miss stuff, let me know. I want to see what these are up to on here. Yeah, with regards to the team that we sponsored as well, I will give regular updates, and if it's okay with the parents and the manager and stuff, and it's just loads of red tape to cross, if we can get footage of them playing, scoring goals, whatever, I'll try and post it on the channel. But you have to respect it's children's football, so it might not be as easy as that. But I will try and get I'll try and get permission somewhere along the line to do something. But if not, I'll just simply put results up on the screen of how they've got on. Yeah, the brick is still carrying on up this column here. And the Forever Stones area is almost complete. So what I've heard now is there'll be 2 benches and 4 plaques going down. But that's why there's 2 bigger slots and 4 smaller ones. So we'll just see what they say, because I don't know what's going on them. I thought it'd be 6 European Cup wins, but obviously not. We'll just see. No, there's nothing going on there, is there? Those are ropes, no one on them. There's only that little section cladding to go in there, isn't there? Right guys, going to leave there. If you think I've missed anything, let me know. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Comments, especially with the giveaway I'm doing, comments expansion, and you'll be in a chance of winning. But anyway, if you don't want to have a go with that, just leave a comment anyway if you've got anything to say, and likes are always appreciated. But apart from that guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting me as well. It's really appreciated. You know, over a year now, and it's been brilliant, the response I've had. You know, with everything, you get a little bit of negativity, but 99% of it has been all positive. So yeah, no, thank you everyone, I really appreciate it. So I'll leave that there. Look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.